my YouTube channel. And particular video is all about this particular project called Peria, and I want to ask for my community member, which I'll be sharing in later on this particular video is about a task which I would like every one of you to help me actually attain. I'll be sharing that later, but I've been hearing a lot of issues complaining about particular project. I'm actually creating this particular first video to explain a lot of misconception and complaint that I've been getting from a lot of you. And the particular app is somehow a little bit complicated, but I've been able to navigate my way around it. For the past 7 days, I've been active, searching, looking at everything, studying this particular project. You see, 7 days. I've been here for a good 7 days strike, which is actually lasted more than some certain people relationship. There is just a jokes at the other side. So I'm in level 2. So currently now I see somebody actually ask me about particular project. If you want to start, I'll be dropping my link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. So I see somebody in my community. Don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification, share, and it's fine to upload any other video. So I saw somebody in my community say he has been mining, and his mining has actually not been counting. And currently now I've been able to be in 434 years of Peria Token. And currently we have been seeing a lot of things flying that this particular token is listed, but that is not even where I'm actually going to in this particular video. So when you come to this particular place, the arrow is, and I tapped on it. Let's say for example, now I'm still waiting for 1 hour 90 minutes when this particular mining cycle will be over, and you could see they have updated it to as much as to update it. You see, yesterday I have 6/6 mining section. I have 7 days strike, and currently I'm in 100 bonus. And if I want to tap on claim, yeah, it will not claim. Why? Because let me quickly show you the major reason. Maybe some of you might actually be facing it likewise. I won't be able to claim because of this particular mining block. Yes, this particular mining block wouldn't allow me to claim it, because I will have to tap on it. When you tap on it, you could see this is where the magics happen. Your referral that you have there, and they are active. There are some mining blocks that they give to you. You could see from 137, right? It give me 3. And currently for 437, I'm now currently in 440 now. This is where the magic is done. So you need to be active doing your mining section, and in there, just like the way Bitcoin works, there's always a mining blocks that will actually be created for you. Then after that, if you tap on this your claim, it will claim. So let me quickly go to what I say I want my community to do for me. If I come to the particular tax and I tap on it, you see there are a lot of tax which I've actually made for. You could see mining level, I've actually crashed all these ones. So what I needed to do that will give me 7 Peria token is that for me to connect my wallet, I will be creating another video on how I'll be able to create my wallet. And this one, I want to get to this particular place, which is the Elite, and I have to reach 25 active referrals that it will give me 65 Peria token. So I want my community member to make me get to this particular level, which is the 25, which is the Elite. And currently now, if I'm to check my referrals, I'm currently at 22, which means I'm close, which I only have 3, but I have 19 which are active, and it needs you for you to be very, very active. Yes, your referrals need to be very, very in their inactiveness will actually affect you getting your mining block. So that is that for that. So now I'll crash another tax once I reach 30 days. So if you are minus 7 from 30, that means I still have around 23. Then that one will give me 100 Peria token. Then 50 mining rounds is give me 25. 500 blocks collected, you give me 75. You could see like that. So those tags are like that. And if I come to do select section, you could see it here now. You could see I've not actually connected my wallet because I want to do it for my community member to be able to through it. So you could just check around it. This is where I will connect my BEM20 wallet, and you could see my current balance is 440 mining hen from my own personal miner. I mine 236. Referrals are giving me 204. My mine has even more than what referrals are giving me. Withdraw, I have not withdrawn anything total. This is so. Let me quickly show you something before I share another important information with you now. So this is portfolio. So this is balance 440 mining. So you'll be able to check everything you need to check, and this chart actually explain everything. In my next video, I'll be explaining more about the particular project. If this was helpful, please kindly like, share, click on bell notifications, go ahead and enter upload any other new video. Thank you and bye bye for now.